Okay, ladies, everybody has difficulty with a double zipper. What you have to do is you have to move both of these up. Wait a minute. It's always difficult. Both of these on this side up. So you can reseat them down all the way to the bottom. This is making it look any easier. Then, once those are seated, holding it with this hand, you're going to put this in all the way, and you're going to hear it click. Then, holding both sides with this hand, you're going to zip away. Then you can unzip this part. It takes a while. Double zippers are always a problem, and you just have to know how to get them in properly. So practice. Always take out this right side and always put it in until it clicks. Hear it? Zip it up. Thank you.